Good day, faith friends. I am Ella May Ariola, your gospel sharer for today. Our holy gospel is from Matthew chapter 13, verses 54 to 58. In this gospel, when Jesus came to his hometown and began to teach, the people refused to believe him because they considered him one of themselves and therefore without authority to teach or preach them. In life, we cannot please everyone. I know that there are people who are afraid of being rejected, but we must understand that rejection is part of our lives. It may be hard knowing that there is someone who will not support you, believe you, or will be at your side whenever you need them, but that should not be the reason for you to stop. One thing I learned about in this gospel is that we must keep going. Jesus never stopped teaching despite of those people who refused to believe him. Instead, he traveled from place to place to teach, preach, heal, and perform miracles. So here's a reminder to everyone. Do good, believe in yourself, believe in our God. Thank you for watching and listening. Please subscribe at Facebook PH YouTube channel or download the Facebook app or register at www.faithbook.ph.